and welcome back to another Allure beauty box unboxing. This one is, I think, the March one, I think. Fell behind a little bit, so we're going to catch up. So, I don't know what else. We have got our little booklet here. Let's see. What's it say? Oh yeah, this is definitely March. Lucky stars. I'll admit I've never been the strongest multitasker. I forget to set timers if I check emails while cooking, and once I may or may not have found my phone in a truly bizarre place like the refrigerator. Fortunately, the products in this month's beauty box do not suffer from the same affliction. They are multitasking all-stars. Tarte's Best of Beauty award-winning mascara lengthens, volumizes, and curls all at once. Miel's TikTok famous hair oil soothes scalps and disguises frayed ends while working to help promote longer hair, a lofty claim backed by studies. The heavy hitters here check all the smooth skin, healthy hair boxes, and then some, so you can relax while your beauty routine does all the work. So, and then there's like also an ad for other shit you can buy. We don't need that. Anyway, so the first thing in here is indeed that mascara. It is the Tarte Man-Eater mascara. It lasts until night, and thank goodness for that. When your lashes look this good, you want to show them off all day long. This is $25. Why you'll love it. Lifting, volumizing, curling, this Allure Best of Beauty Award winning mascara does everything a mascara could possibly do and does it all well. The formula contains carnauba wax, which helps lengthen and volumize and I cannot read today. It makes this mascara glide on like a dream. The wand's flexible tip is spiked with more than 500 teeny tiny bristles that coat every last lash, even the ones near your inner corners, for a fanned out, lengthened look with just enough curl. How you'll use it. A single coat makes you look naturally have really great lashes, while a second turns the drama up without getting clumpy. The formula isn't waterproof, so it's a breeze to remove, but it still has longevity. So that one will be fun to try out. Next, where's it at? Where are we hiding? Oh, okay. So this is by the brand Belief, and it is the Aqua Bomb Overnight Lip Mask. I didn't know they did lip masks. Cool. So this retails for $22 for a 0.7 ounce thing. This is not that size. This is smaller, I believe. So, why you'll love it. With this hydrating lip treatment, it's love at first swipe. It's made with botanical Centella asiatica, which soothes and hydrates lips like no other, and moisturizing shea butter. The best part is that it's not heavy or sticky. The gel-like formula feels like nothing, and on windy days your hair won't stick to your mouth. We've all been there. Yes, we have. How you'll use it. Run a little over lips each morning, under lipstick or on its own, and at night to keep puckers smooth. Again, like I said, I didn't even know they did lip masks, so that's kind of cool. Then, I think I have this already, so I have a dupe. Hopefully I like it. The Mud Masky Vitamin-Infused Eye Serum. Yeah, this big old thing is an eye serum. And this retails for $63! My god! Why you'll love it. The ingredient list on this under-eye serum reads like a multivitamin with vitamins C, A, B, K, D, F, and E to nourish skin. Two of our favorites on that list, E, a workhorse that hydrates and soothes, and brightening C, are both antioxidants to help protect the delicate eye area. How you'll use it. Using a clean finger, gently tap a little serum under your eyes and over your temples. Its light texture wears well under concealer or foundation. Cool. Then we have something that's in bubble wrap. Let's get that out. It smells good. The Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. Cool. That's no wonder why it smells so good. So this is $10 for 2 ounces, which is the size that is. That's actually a very reasonable price. Why you'll love it. This little glass bottle has... I'm sorry, I'm thinking of the genetic... It comes in a little glass bottle. Sorry. Anyway. This little glass bottle has become a TikTok star. The wonderfully cooling scalp and hair treatment, with more than 3 million views, features rosemary oil, and studies support that the botanical can help grow hair. The blend also includes castor oil and coconut oil to moisturize dry scalps and smooth split ends. How you'll use it. Massage a few drops into your scalp. Run what's left on your hands over the ends of your hair to hide split ends. So you do this while it's wet or dry? I am confused. Does it say on here? It doesn't say. Interesting. For split end care, apply oil to ends of hair. Place a plastic cap on head. Leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse and proceed with shampooing. But as a scalp treatment, section hair into 4 parts, exposing the scalp. Apply a small amount of oil to scalp. Massage oil in with fingers and comb through to the ends of hair. Leave in and style as desired. Is it just me, or are we getting very mixed messages here? I'm gonna have to read up a little more on that one, because I'm confused. So then we have the Dionys Hand and Body Goat Milk Cream in Milk and Honey, which I am unsure if I can use, but I don't know, it's been enough years since I had an allergic reaction to goat milk that I'm like, I'll try it just to see. This is $12 for a 3.3 ounce tube. This is not that big. So why you'll love it. When one editor stocked a guest bathroom with this hand and body moisturizer, it got rave reviews, and a family member even asked if they could take it home. The nourishing, skin-loving formula is non-greasy, hand cream perfection, and soothing knuckles and softening skin. The subtle and sweetly warm scent is a relaxing bonus. How you'll use it. Squirt a little onto the back of your hands. It comes out quickly. Arms, legs, wherever you need a little hydration. Well, thank you for the warning that it comes out quickly, but I am gonna just put that over here for now. So, let's see. What's this? By Cots, we have a Flawless Complexion SPF 50. It's tinted. What shade is it tinted? Hopefully light, otherwise I'll need to, like, resell it. Let's take a peek. Please don't be dark. Please don't be dark. Oh, good. No, we're good. We're good. Okay. Just making sure. So. A 2.5 ounce tube of this retails for $27.50. There's no way this is that size. Yeah, no, it's not. Not even close. But anyway, why you'll love it. You're going to want to carry this turquoise tube in your purse or beach bag. Its silky soft finish is that addictive. This mineral facial sunscreen feels more like fancy skincare going on, has a high SPF 50, a subtle tint, and its star ingredient, zinc oxide, is a dermatologist's favorite for protecting skin. How you'll use it. Apply a generous amount to your face 15 minutes before going out in the sun, and be sure to reapply every 2 hours or after getting wet when you're outside. Okay. Let's see. And then finally, this is a sponsored item, the Cetaphil Deep Hydration Skin Restoring Water Gel. So, 1.7 ounce tube, this retails for $28. Why you'll love it. The gel moisturizer to end all gel moisturizer. Cetaphil's formula is light enough for muggy spring days, but packed with intensely moisturizing ingredients like hyaluronic acid and glycerin. It smooths skin and hydrates the heck out of it. How you'll use it? Rub a small dollop over your face. It's great for all skin types because it's oil-free, won't clog pores, and is safe for sensitive skin. Cool. Then we have an ad for the Spotlight on Black-owned beauty box. I didn't even ever see this one advertised on the website, bizarrely. Which seems really weird that they didn't advertise that. And it's been months. It's like, I always check those emails when they come. I never saw that one advertised. Oh well. Anyway, so that's what came in the March box. So pretty good stuff. Pretty good. So anyways, that is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.